Alright, so this is my project for Compe 375. Um, it's what I came up with in about 24 hours, so it's nothing too great. Um, so what it does is it pretty much just displays numbers on these two 7-segment displays. This one on the right, I'm sorry, the left, is controlled by these buttons up here, these 5 buttons. And this one right here is simply controlled by voltage from the AVR board and through these pots, through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, these buttons are all being controlled by these pins on this side of the board. So yeah, and let's see. These pins, these are the supply and the ground pins right here, and these pins are controlling the 7-segment right here through these resistors, obviously. And so yeah, let me go ahead and just run it. Run the code. Alright. It's currently running. So these buttons allow you to press any number you would like. So you have 1 on the 7-segment, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you press this middle button, you're going to switch these buttons up here to 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So now I can go ahead and press 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. If I want to switch back to the old set from 1 to 5, just hit the button again. I can press any button I would like, any number I would like through this button, just switching back and forth. So this other 7-segment display is simply just controlled through this 5-volt supply right here. And what it is just has these resistors that are going to the potentiometers, and by varying the potentiometer, I'm changing the voltage at which that appears across the resistance of the potentiometer, hence varying the current that's getting to the 7-segment display. So let me go ahead and just pull up a number real quick. Let's see. Actually, just display the number 4. And this bottom one, let's see, I think it's this one down here. No, not that one. Must be this one. Well, not that one. It's gotta be this one then. There we go. Okay, so there you go. You can just vary the pots to get whatever number you would like. So it's kind of not as convenient as having it programmed, because you know, obviously the program, you just hit the button real nice and fast. But I mean, it's still cool. It's different. They're not exactly the same. So yep, came up with that in just a couple of hours. Again, started the project late, so that's what I came up with. As for the code itself, I also have serial connection, so I know I have a terminal window on my computer letting me know what numbers are being pushed on this left hand segment display, 7-segment display. So all the numbers I pushed on it are actually up here now. And so S represents the button that switches the buttons from 1 to 5 to 6 to 9 and 0. So I can hit 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I hit the middle button, it'll pop a S for switch. Now I can hit 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So yeah, just basic code, nothing too crazy. We come here and look at my code real quick. Just have functions for the numbers. I have 2 functions for the buttons, one from 1 through 5, the other one from 6 through 9 and 0. Basic USART bit transmission. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Plan on adding more to it, but for starting late, I just had to scrap something up for a project, so that's it.